Hey everyone, Tara Tesher here with another Tara's Must-Have. You know when it's this time, it's a must-have time. Super excited about this one because we are combining our food with our amazing stoneware. So first and foremost, what is a Tara's Must-Have? A Tara's Must-Have is pretty, it's practical, and it's purposeful. It's over at 𝐓𝐚𝐫𝐚𝐫𝐬, so you're definitely gonna wanna check that out, and it's usually for a limited time. $24.95. Free shipping and handling. It's all I need to say. Everything else is like, what? This is amazing. So for the first time, we are making available to purchase our No-Bake Grammy cheesecakes on 𝐓𝐚tations.com. So you are going to receive 2 of the tropical orange, 2 of your key lime crush, and 2 of your luscious lemon. What is a No-Bake Grammy cheesecake? So glad you asked. Lower in carbs because you don't have to use the crust. It's that sweet, delicious, creamy taste that you love from a cheesecake without the guilt, and that's what we love. Cream cheese, a little whipped cream makes this baby delicious. It turns this little packet into this gorgeous, gorgeous No-Bake Grammy cheesecake. Okay, so if that wasn't good enough, what are you gonna make them in? What are you gonna put them in? We included 2 of our mini makers. So Old World Floral Lace, check out on 𝐓𝐚tations.com the colors and patterns we have available. If you're picking up the Old World, it has the rope detail that runs around the edges, the hand painting on the inside and the outside, and they come with wire racks. So when you're taking things in and out of the oven, when you're bringing things to the table, you have that beautiful wrought iron swing rack that takes it right to the side. We also included our snap-on storage cover. So now if you're prepping ahead of time, you can literally make, bake, and take, or prep, cook, and serve and store all the different things with our great stoneware. So 2 of our 12-ounce ramekins, 2 of their wire holders, 2 of their storage covers, and 6 No-Bake Grammy cheesecakes. I gotta tell you guys, this is like summer overload. The tropical orange, the key lime crush, the luscious lemon. And we've been sharing these with you through the month of June when it is back to the backyard. So if you've been loving them, now is your opportunity to get all 6 of them with, of course, our mini makers, which I love. All right, so take a peek over here. Look what we did. We actually, in our one, this is Romance, by the way, so that's gonna have the red holder that you see here, and then the hearts are actually engraved into the side of the stoneware, and then the color saturated around it. Look at these cute little swing handles. Love this. $24.95, free shipping and handling. These 2 bakers, these 2 wire racks, 6 I gotta slow down, I'm so excited. 6 No-Bake Grammy cheesecakes, that's right, and the storage cover. So here we made that beautiful key lime crush. Just slice some beautiful limes right on top of it. Like, are you serious? And look at that, that made 12 ounces. That's what we love about these. Keep coming with me, keep coming with a couple of ideas. When you're thinking about portion control, 12 ounces is such a great capacity, especially for this time of year. So whether you're doing soups in here, whether you're doing individual mac and cheeses, whether you're doing individual salads, I love the fact that these now can transform into an entire meal. But then take a peek over here, baking in these. So if you're new to stoneware, what does it mean? It means that it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put it in the dishwasher, it goes in the fridge, the freezer, and the microwave. But baking is unbelievable, okay? No butters or oils, no extra added fats. Literally mix right in here, put it in the oven, and you get this even heating that runs all the way around and super moist and delicious. I'm gonna head on over to the fridge because I wanna show you. As great as they are for baking, and you can definitely put them in the oven up to 500 degrees, we tucked that French onion soup under the broiler before we took it out, but we did a beautiful fresh fruit. So now if this was your morning breakfast, this could be oatmeal, this could be scrambled eggs. We made a beautiful banana bread, but you of course also have your mixed berries. So I just love this. And the best part, just flip this right out, put it right on the plate. This can easily serve 4 people. So when you think about that, when you think about portion control and you're thinking about what am I gonna do with all of these, they're mini loaf pans at the end of the day. So they're super fun to make all of those great things from individual meatloafs, mac and cheeses. We of course put them together with what I think is the most amazing combination, and that is with our No-Bake Grammy cheesecake. So just a quick reminder, $24.95, free shipping and handling. You get our No-Bake No-Bake Remy cheesecakes home. 3 different flavors, 2 of each, tropical orange, hello, delicious. Key lime crush that truly tastes like a piece of key lime pie. And then our luscious lemon, nice, bright, beautiful flavors. And again, I gotta tell you, this must-have cannot be beat. Head over to temptations.com. You can check out what colors we have in both our Old World and our Floral Lace.